and welcome to another video from Venture Tanks Company. In this video, let's work on the Reliant Regal Supervan. In case you don't know what this car is, it's the one that Mr. Bean doesn't like, and his character doesn't like this car. He always goes after it and stuff. Alright, so just keep clipping away everything. Take your hobby clippers, cut away all these little screws. Clip by clip. There you go. And there's this, and then the last clip to be done is right here. Okay, and so next, all the clipping is actually done for that kit. Now let's get this figured out here. One thing that I will mention is it's always a good idea to reference real pictures. But yeah, just put some glue down like that. And then you can take this piece, put it together like that. And they even use the ups, so disregard what I told you. It needs to be on the edges. You can see. Didn't think of that. Alright. That gap in there, you can decide if you want to put weights in there or not. Alright, yeah, see how I'm using the surface of the table to kind of help guide that piece there. Now, let's put some glue here. And then there you go. There you go. Now it's just the wheels and this top thing. So for the top thing, here's how that works. You can optionally not have it, or you can optionally have it. So let's have it for the purpose of this video. Let's just put a little glue down there, a little glue down there. Then let's place this thing like that. Alright, so there's that. Next, just put some glue on the four edges there. There you go. I'm going to use the tweezers for this process. There you go. There's that. That's for storing luggage up there, probably. Here's the three wheels. The back two wheels are really easy. Just put some glue there. Put some glue there. Then simply take this wheel. Put it like that. Go to the other side. And put it like that. Last piece for this kit. So take this wheel, or take this glue, put that there. And here's this wheel. Pay attention to how it is. There's kind of cuts right there. It needs to be cut in a way so you put it up like that. And that's the single wheel. So there it is, the little tricycle car, three-wheeled car. This is available at miniaturetanks.com.